Hello. Last video, I demonstrated how we can use the database as a normal database and an embedded database. We did that by having all the circles calculate all the physics inside the database and then let the game show the result of that. But this is not a gaming database. This is a database built for scalability that just happen to also work as an embedded database and as an offline first database. So while I'm running this 3-node cluster and a benchmark on top of it, I want to talk a little bit about scalability. Most ACID compliant databases scale by having replica sets. Only one node inside each replica set will allow writes, but you can scale out the reads. On top of that, we create shards. Shards allow us to distribute the writes and the physical data inside the database across multiple replica sets. Picking the right sharding key and finding the right sharding strategy can be almost a science in itself. So while the website you're looking at shows around 170k reads per second, the benchmark is distributing the reads across all 3 nodes in the cluster, giving us more than 500,000 reads per second. But what is unique is we can also do writes to any nodes in the cluster. So when the benchmark is now doing transactions across all 3 nodes, those will also be evenly distributed across all the nodes in the cluster. We are of course bound by physics and the network speed between the nodes. This is why we still need shards. But by the database auto-sharding and auto-balancing out the data between the nodes, we get full redundancy and full write performance across all the nodes that we actually have. This is of course fully automated and with no downtime and no performance impact. So as you just saw, on my local development machine, we can now do 80,000 writes per second and 500,000 reads per second, or any combination thereof, which I find pretty impressive. If any of this has piqued your interest, I'm still looking for design partners who want to use the database and give feedback and help shape the form of the database in its first version.